If you're over 60, use baking soda this way, a natural solution for 10 health problems. Do you experience more heartburn, joint pain, or fatigue after the age of 60? You won't believe what a daily dose of just 1 teaspoon of baking soda can do. A quick warning. Of course, this information is for general health purposes and does not replace a doctor's advice. Before I tell you about the 10 miraculous benefits of baking soda, I must remind you to subscribe to my channel and like the content. 1. Against heartburn and reflux. Heartburn occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation in the chest. Reflux is when this becomes chronic. Baking soda is an alkaline substance. When mixed with water, it can neutralize stomach acid. This temporarily reduces stomach acid, alleviating the burning and sour taste sensation. Of course, if you have chronic reflux, you should definitely consult a doctor. Baking soda works as a quick but short-term relief for heartburn. If taken in excessive amounts, it can cause sodium, salt overload, and raise blood pressure, potentially damaging the kidneys. Therefore, it is not correct to use it continuously just because it is natural and harmless. 2. Oral and dental health. Baking soda has long been one of the natural methods used at home for oral and dental health. When you gargle with baking soda water, the baking soda neutralizes the acidic environment in your mouth. It can help reduce the growth of bacteria that cause bad breath. If you have bleeding gums and your gums appear swollen, you can try gargling after brushing your teeth with baking soda and salt water. It can reduce stains on your teeth caused by coffee and tea, thanks to its mild abrasive properties. However, you should not use it excessively to protect your tooth enamel. 3. Skin problems. Baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate can be used as a soothing remedy not only for stomach problems but also for some minor skin issues. For example, it is one of the natural remedies used at home for conditions such as itching, insect bites, and mild irritation. Since baking soda neutralizes the acidic environment on the skin's surface, it can provide relief for allergic itching, mild eczema, or itching caused by dryness. For example, it can reduce redness, itching, swelling, and irritation from mosquito or bee bites. However, it is advisable to seek medical help in case of serious reactions. Mix a little baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste and apply a thin layer to the itchy area or insect bite to benefit from its soothing properties. To soothe sunburn or detergent irritation, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda to a tub of water and bathe in it. However, do not use baking soda on open wounds or infected areas. Also, it should not be used continuously for eczema or chronic skin problems without a doctor's advice. 4. Foot bath. Did you know that baking soda is a simple and natural method commonly used for foot health? It is a natural method that can be effective, especially for odor, sweating, and fungal problems. It can be added to your foot bath water for relief from odor and fungal problems on your feet. After a busy day, giving your tired feet a baking soda bath. 1. Eliminates odor. Your feet sweat and can develop a bad odor after being confined in your shoes all day. Baking soda neutralizes the acidic sweat on your feet, reducing bacterial growth and alleviating bad odor. 2. Helps with fungal problems. Baking soda's alkaline structure can make it difficult for fungi to multiply and also reduces itching and discomfort. 3. Skin softening effect. It helps soften your skin, making it easier to clean calluses or hardened areas. 4. Relaxing. It soothes your tired, swollen feet throughout the day. How to use. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda to warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. A few drops of lavender oil or eucalyptus oil can be added if desired. Afterwards, rinse and dry your feet. Warning, people with diabetes should consult their doctor before taking a foot bath. 5. Urinary health. The sodium bicarbonate is a basic substance, so when mixed with water and consumed, it can make urine more alkaline. In urinary tract infections, it can reduce the burning and stinging sensation caused by acidic urine. However, this only provides symptomatic relief. It does not cure the infection. In some chronic kidney diseases, carbonate therapy may be administered under a doctor's supervision to balance excess acid in the blood. However, this should only be done under your doctor's supervision. 6. Potential effects on joint health. 1. Acid-base balance. According to some experts, an overly acidic environment can increase inflammation. Bicarbonate can neutralize this acidity, thereby alleviating inflammation and pain complaints in the joints. 2. Studies on inflammation control. Some research has shown that carbonate can regulate the immune system to reduce inflammation. This suggests that carbonate may theoretically be beneficial in joint diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis. 3. Effects on muscle and joint fatigue. It is known that carbonate supplementation reduces muscle fatigue in athletes. Similarly, it is claimed that it can alleviate the acid load on the joints and facilitate movement. 7. Natural deodorant effect. Did you know that baking soda or sodium bicarbonate can be used as a natural deodorant against underarm odor? Baking soda has a very strong chemical structure and antibacterial effect. Bad underarm odor is usually caused not by sweating, but by acidic compounds produced when bacteria break down sweat. This is where baking soda comes in. With its alkaline structure, baking soda neutralizes these acids, thereby reducing bad odor. Thanks to its antimicrobial effect, it can prevent the growth of odor-causing bacteria. After showering, you can apply it to your underarms in powder or paste form. By adding it to your body lotion, you can create a natural deodorant. However, it may not have the same effect on every skin type. It should be used with caution on sensitive individuals. 8. Digestive system. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is one of the most commonly used natural remedies for gas and indigestion. The effect of baking soda on digestion. 1. Neutralizes stomach acid. Baking soda exhibits basic properties. As mentioned earlier, baking soda water reacts with excess acid in the stomach and neutralizes it. This can relieve heartburn, bloating, and burning sensations. 2. It can reduce gas and bloating. Baking soda can relieve gas pressure in the stomach and intestines by reducing excess acid. This also reduces indigestion and the need to burp. 3. It provides temporary relief. It can be consumed after meals or when heartburn is felt. It is not a treatment method. Remember, excessive use may increase blood pressure, strain the kidneys, or cause stomach perforation. Those with chronic reflux, ulcers, or stomach disease should not use it without consulting a doctor. If gas and indigestion are persistent, this may be a sign of a serious digestive disorder. Please consult a doctor. 9. Kidney health effects of baking soda on kidney health. 1. Acid-base balance. The kidneys regulate the acid-base balance in the blood, but in chronic kidney disease patients, this balance is disrupted, leading to metabolic acidosis, the accumulation of acid in the blood. Thanks to its basic structure, bicarbonate can neutralize excess acid and alleviate this burden. 2. Use in chronic kidney failure. Medically, some patients are given sodium bicarbonate tablets. The purpose of this is to facilitate the work of the kidneys and slow the progression of the disease. 3. Urinary tract health. Drinking carbonated water alkalizes the urine, which can prevent the formation of certain types of stones, such as uric acid stones. When used under a doctor's supervision, bicarbonate can be beneficial for kidney health, especially in chronic renal failure and metabolic acidosis. But random use can be harmful. 10. Benefits for cleaning purposes. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, has long been used as a natural material, not only for health, but also for cleaning. 1. Cleaning dentures. If you soak your dentures in baking soda water, they will be free of bad odors and the stains on them will fade. Since it is non-abrasive, it does not damage the denture material. 2. Kitchenware. Scrubbing your pots and pans with baking soda water helps remove grease and burnt stains. Glasses and cups. It helps remove tea and coffee stains. Sprinkling baking soda on cutting boards and scrubbing them will both clean them and eliminate odors. 3. Odor eliminator. You can put baking soda in a small container in the refrigerator or kitchen cabinets. It will absorb bad odors. You can also sprinkle it in trash cans. 4. Sink and tile cleaning. A mixture of baking soda and vinegar foams up, creating a natural cleaning effect and also acts as a natural limescale remover. It can also be used to unclog sinks. Yes, friends, as you can see, baking soda isn't just useful in the kitchen. It can also benefit our health in many ways. But remember, these methods are not a substitute for doctor's advice, especially if you have chronic conditions. Be sure to consult your specialist. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on new videos. What do you use baking soda for most? Share in the comments. Let's discuss it together. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.